This is Thock, the most popular keyboard sound profile in the keyboard community. But what if I told you I can make it even thockier?
Yes, I'm doing it.
Just letting y'all know I'm going all out. No budget. But I still want to help you guys build your thockiest keyboard no matter the price. Because while it is easy to achieve thock, mistake can cause... Obviously, I'm gonna be using the Holy Grail keycap ceramic keycap, but what an even better step is to use ceramic case as well. Thanks to Key for sending these out, but that won't change any of my opinion. Because this is the Peak60. Wow, what a name for this freaking video. I'm so peak. However, this is only the case, so you do need a GH60 PCB in play. I'm actually really excited to try this case out because it was love at first sight.
This is a pretty ass color. Oh my god.
The Peak60 came in with a really nice case, accessory, and for some reason a bunch of rubber feet. Now, why does ceramic thock? Ceramic is extremely rigid, so it produces a lower pitch sound. But that's only theoretical because so far it pings like a lot. But don't worry, that will be fixed by the queen of molding, and yes, that's me. Hey, look at how beautiful that is! However, if you don't want to spend $107 on a ceramic case, other keyboard would work, but aluminum maybe works better. No matter how good your case is, if you don't have a soft plate, you're done for. Because they just absorb sound better and produce a softer sound profile. To further absorb that damn thing and fixes the pinging, add foam. Just throw them in. But to avoid complete silence, you should add tape mode. Yes, I did say add foam to absorb sound, but then add tape mode to make it louder, but just let me cook. Tape mode makes the keyboard deeper by reducing the hollowness but bounce back the lower pitch sound, which means it will make your keyboard louder because it's not absorbing sound like foam, while making it poppier and thockier because of the reduction of high pitch frequencies. Now let's talk about the keycap first because this is truly the weapon for a thocky keyboard. Because it is so fat, it's just helped with achieving that thock. And today I'm using KeyC Ceramic V3 that look exactly like concrete. Oh wait, you can't see it. The V3 fixes on the biggest problem the last two versions have, like how you can actually feel the keycap now. The matte surface bring you back to the good old PBT days. Caps. Yeah. And they also changed the stem system, so no more keycap getting sucked up by the vacuum. Yes, that did happen to me. But the long key still sucks. So that's why I'm going to be using PBT keycaps for the spacebar. Also because this keycap don't support 7U spacebar, also because this is not the right layout for the case. But hey, unique. But nee, I don't have $100 for a keycap set. Oh yes, I do understand what you mean. For thock, you ultimately want high and thick keycaps, but cherry works fine, not as thocky though. Finally, the most important part, switches. Switches alone cannot make the thockiest keyboard, but it can change the sound profile drastically. For thock, you want your switches to have soft plastic. This can be nylon, PA66, etc, etc. Just because they absorb sound better. Also, lube your switches because you will always be surprised by how good that simple and long mode. Since I'm a little bit extra for this, we'll have 6 budget switch option because the price is getting a little bit too scary. So here it is, the thockiest keyboards I can build. Yes, I know we all faint because of how good that sound with the rosewood being the clear winner. But do let me know in the comment down below on how I can thock this even further. And a little bit of a conclusion for the Peak60 and the Ceramic V3 for those who are interested. The Peak60 is a great and unique case for the GH60 PCBs. Oh god. However, it's not cheap and it pings if there's no foam. So I'll give it a A-. I mean, really, it's just a case, there's like nothing special to it. As for the keycaps, 2 out of 3 most annoying features have been fixed, but the biggest one is still there. B+. That's pretty much it. See you on the next video. Bye bye! Yeah, my butt is wet.